Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, October 28th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today in a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. We've made that, or continued that trend to the upside on an indecisive spinning top type candle. And this suggests that there is some indecision in the market. We have a fairly small size body to this candle. Slightly smaller than the previous day's trading, and that's suggesting that the net momentum that the buyers have made is slightly smaller than the previous day's trading, and suggesting a possibility that the trend to the upside may be weakening. But we also have this largish shadow on the bottom and largish shadow on the bottom, and that's large in relative terms to the size of the body. And the shadow on the top represents downside price rejection, and on the bottom upside price rejection, and therefore a day where there's been a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers, and resolved in a minor way back to the buyers. For the previous day's trading, we saw the buyers close with control of the market by closing up towards the high. Today, the buyers have still closed with control, but only a moderate amount of control, whereas it was previously strong control for yesterday's trading. And for today's trading, they've lost some commitment, as evidenced by the shadow on the top of this candle. So this does suggest that there is a possibility of change of trend, with this being a moderately indecisive candle. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the relationship of the first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market's trending up, and we haven't interacted with any of the levels at the moment. We almost traded to the 23.6% level today. That's at 1767. There's a possibility that the market may trade there tomorrow. We do need to watch how the market behaves around that area. If we do see price rejection and the sellers coming back into the market, there will be potential for a change of trend. But if we do see early bullish activity up above there, we could quickly see the market trading to the 38.2% level, which is at 1783. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and we are now trading in a bullish manner, or a moderately bullish manner, above the 100% level, and it does suggest that there is a possibility of the market trading to the 161.8% level. That 161.8% level is at 1770, but with the indecision in this market, there's some doubt about whether we will trade up there. And as I've mentioned, moderately bullish because we've just closed up above the midpoint level. We have a white body candle, so the buyers still have maintained some net momentum to the upside, even though it has been reduced. So quite some indecision in this market, but our next target here is at 1770. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bullish market in the long-term time frame, with the market trading up above the cloud. We are a fair way above the cloud, so that distance that we trade above the cloud is quite important, and markets move from equilibrium, and that's when we're trading at or near the cloud or within the cloud, to areas of disequilibrium when we're trading away from the cloud, and the market will move back to equilibrium, so suggesting a possibility of the market trading lower. If we do trade low, we do have some strong support down around the 1740 level, and then the window that was open previously should provide very strong support for this market. In terms of the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, we're trading above both of those indicators, so we're bullish in all three time frames. The market is bullish in the long, medium and short-term time frames. And just looking across here to the Chico span, that's above the corresponding price action, so it's telling us that there is still some decent upside momentum in this market, and that this trend is likely continue, not necessarily over the next day or two. As I've mentioned, with the spinning top indecisive candle, there is a possibility of a change of trend. Likely scenario here, if there is a change of trend, is that the market trades off. We find support perhaps down at the 1740 level, or even around the window, strengthened by the Tenkan-sen now trading around that area, and then the market bounces back up to the upside, with the buyers coming back into the market in line with the Ichimoku indicators, showing an uptrend in all three time